Hey everybody, it's Christine, and today I have a very quick and simple Christmas layout for you that features the double shot kit from the ScrapRoom. And what I'm using is the Carta page kit, and I am going to do a multi-photo layout. You can see I've matted each of my photos onto white cardstock. And then I've also got this plaid paper that I am messing around with, along with a patterned paper base that's monochromatic, so you can't really see the design of it too much on camera. And what I'm doing is just kind of trying to work those Christmas colors. These are pictures of my kids last year in their Christmas pajamas. And so I wanted to capture that memory. But we've got all different colors going in the pictures, and so I needed to kind of keep the color scheme of the layout simple. So I have got those two as my real showcase colors, and then the next thing I'm doing is just tucking these tags in behind. These tags came as a piece of patterned paper within the page kit, and so I just cut those up, and I am using them as a strong point behind those pictures. And you can see I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of the plaid paper off and then move my pictures up so they're in the top third of the layout. This ended up being more of a simple layout than I started out. I tried a lot of different things and none of them were really working, and so I ended up just deciding to go very, very simple and keep that part up top basically as is, but then add a really big title and do my embellishing down there. So I cut out the words Christmas pajamas on my silhouette, and then I fussy cut some different snowflakes from one of the patterned papers in the page kit. Now I am going to add also some white snowflakes that I just punched out with an old punch that I've had in my stash forever, and that just adds some nice contrast into the layout. I'm also going to just add some little details here and there, some of them to add dimension. So like I'm going to use some enamel dots in the center of some of my snowflakes. I'm going to use some 3D foam circles to pop up some of my snowflakes. And I'm going to add some words there right underneath my pictures, just to, again, bring some dimension, add some interest to the whole layout. Now, be sure to head over to the ScrapRoom and check out their kits for this month. She's got both the Flavors of the Month kit and the Double Shot kit and all kinds of add-ons. This one, again, is from the Double Shot kit. And so that means I get 2 page kits in that kit. And the other one will be coming up next week to show you what I did with that one. I am going to finish things off using some Nuvo drops, both in a red and a white. Love those. Love them as a substitute for enamel dots and being able to go crazy with them and use as much as I want to. As I've said before, I do struggle with these holiday layouts. And my go-to for that when I am struggling is to go back to a technique that I've done before and love. In this case, it was doing a big title and embellishing around my title. What I would like to know from you guys today is, what do you do when you're struggling? How do you overcome that in your layouts? Because we definitely all have times where we feel a little bit less creative, and I'd love to know how you resolve it, whether it's you go looking for inspiration or you have some go-to techniques or those kinds of things. So thank you so much for being here today. I know the holidays are busy and it takes time to unwind and relax, and I thank you for doing that with me. I will be back again very soon, in fact in the next couple days, with some more to share. Have a great end to your week, and we will see you again this weekend.